oh, oh, as e dey work, e dey work, e dey work, e dey work. Yeah. Good afternoon. I welcome you to my kitchen. Happy Sunday to you all. Yes. Today I wan arrange. I wan prepare one vegetable. I go dey show una good things wey una go dey eat, wey go dey help una belle, una system, everything for una body. No be something wey you go eat, you go come say or when you go cook for oga go say which kind food wey you cook like this. This my channel, you no go find any bad food. Na something wey you go eat, wey your body sef go happy. So ma take una go my kitchen. Like this, our pot don already set. Make I check my water for rice don dey boil. So make I add my onion. Yes, the reason why I put onion so that it go give am flavor. Because wetin I wan cook here today is all about vegetable. Everything about this stew is vegetable, okay? So you must learn something for this my kitchen. You wey no sabi package, you go learn am. As long you dey follow me, as far as you dey follow my video, dey watch my video, you go learn how to cook by force by fire. Oya mo start. Okay, our pot don already hot, so I'll use olive oil. Oil sef dey plenty here, mama mia. Sometimes I no even know the one I go use. We'll use olive oil. Our pot don already hot. I need small oil. I don't need much oil. Okay. I no wan make the oil too hot, so I just put my garlic first. Okay. Make our garlic dey go. Then I'll come introduce our meat. First put this meat. Make it dey done dey go. So this meat when I dey use na towel. All of na no towel now. So I just buy the one they don already slice. So I no fit do the work. So like this, I will cover this one first. This meat, because I never even parboil nothing. Because their meat is soft, so you no need to parboil first. I don already wash am, season am. So that one go first do about 10 minutes before we go start the main cooking. So now I cover am make it dey do, e own dey go. Okay, now check wetin we dey do. It's about 10 minutes now. So I first add my timer for it. Yeah. So the meat already done. Now only oil, I no add water. For this meat, I don already season am before, but I don't want to add this one. Okay. Then our onion will go. So wetin I dey cook, I no wan fry anything. Yes, because if you are the diet, I no dey like to fry. But whether fry no fry, the food will come out well. Okay. It will come out well. So add our carrots. I tell you, say everything here, a vegetable. Carrot go first go. You want prepare this thing, use and eat white rice. You fit just eat am like that without saying you no even use rice. E dey okay. Okay. Make I add my cauliflower. But this one I don already parboil am yesterday. Abeg, this cauliflower, e get white one, e get this whether na green I call am colour. So if you wan use abeg, no, all those things sometimes e dey get worm. If you no look am well, e dey get worm. So always parboil first before anything. Always parboil first. Okay. So don first parboil that one yesterday, put am for fridge because e many because of my diet. So sometimes no be say I wan prepare am, I come dey do wahala to dey cut, put for fire, all those one no. E dey my fridge like this. Na the one I wan use today na I bring out so. Okay. We'll cover this one make it still steam small. Now the next thing when I'll come add my tomato. I tell you say this thing is all about vegetable. I know they fry anything for you. Eh? The water when it go come out from inside now it go cook am. Okay? Now must learn one or two for here. Okay. Okay, make we add our blended crayfish and ginger. I blend them together. Okay. Oh. Chai. Abeg no do hurriness take cook this vegetable. Okay? No do hurry. Take cook this food. Mm? So make we add our salt, our Maggi. Maggi no dey, no get taste, you know now. So we need to add Maggi. The last thing when I go put, might be my cabbage and what is that they call a spring onion. Okay. No make this vegetable too over salt. That's why they put everything one after another so that at the timer. Like this. I'll come add my cabbage, okay? Because it already they done. Add my cabbage like this. So the next one I'll add my spring onion. I'll just cover them. I put this one, I know turn am because my cabbage I want make it dey crunchy. I don't want make it too done. So I'll cover am for about 5 minutes. This stew don't set. Everything. Pata 15 minutes it don't done. As we dey wait, where our food go dey done, I go dey dance. I go dey dance. This my diet. E dey work oh. One good thing about me, if you are really mean to diet, I dey do am. Because one, I dey do am to please myself, to make myself happy, to look good, you know. No be say if you wear something, belle go dey like this, yansh go be share. So I dey watch weight. Me I like body because if you get body small, anything wey you wear dey fit you. But I no want excess fat. That's why I dey maintain because as as our body, this our body they grow. It just be like when you plant something, they grow. Now so this body be. So as they grow, they come. You begin the tackle am. If not, before you know, it will full everywhere. That time if you lose weight again. Hmm? Oh, first check our rice. Yeah. The rice don't go, sir. It's small. Okay. Wow, you the change something. You the change something. Like this. Our stew done ready. Whether na stew I go call on a vegetable. Because me I want take and eat white rice like this. Hmm? E don done like this. You see am? I no add water o. Before you go pack water full your own if you wan do am. Vegetable already get your own water, so do am by yourself. No add water, allow the water to come out from the vegetable. Okay? So like this e don done. Make I test. Who dey cook dey test o? Hmm. Mamma mia! Too sweet, but e be like say I need small salt. I need salt. So I'll add small salt. Salt. Perfect. So cover am. So my people, no dey do kpakpakpa. If you wan cook, especially those of us wey don already marry, if you wan cook wetin your husband go eat, abeg take your time cook am. Because by the time when you go test another woman own, you know say all those men we no dey trust them. By the time you go test another woman own for outside, you see say you no cook reach that one. Forget o. If you cook, e go tell you say im friend take am out, e don eat. Meanwhile, e don go side chick house, don go flex. So take your time to cook, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao. I go knack am for table for now. Now see how e be. Ciao. I love you.